My very own poker chip case. Let's open and see what's inside, shall we? As you can see, I have 16 decks of cards, along with poker chip containers, 12 of them, each containing 25, by the way, so that's 300. And this box, wooden box, can you guess what's in there? Dice, chips. Actually, none of those are correct. If I can get this open, it's actually pegs for Chinese checkers, even though I don't have the board anymore. As you can probably tell, some of these are removables. So if I want to pull one of these out, I just remove these, and pull. Now to close this. I could not do much of the unboxing videos because of the COVID pandemic, and now I'm doing this one to make up for all those unboxings I missed out on. And it's not just this box of stuff, casino stuff, that I bought from Amazon.com in the past few months. I also did clothes, and I even renovated my closet, which I'm about to show you. Yeah, turn that mess into organized closet. Look at all that good stuff. I don't know if you saw that. Who knows when the next time the Jets will get into the Super Bowl. Because they suck lately. But anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. But before I go, I'd like to let you know I'm going down to Seaside Park next week for my first of 2 vacations this summer. In other words, down the shore for July and up the wilderness in August. That's going to be my 6th annual Lake Placid trip. That's right, because 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, or 2021. Actually, it's my 5th. I was thinking of 2016 because I was offered that, but could not take that offer because I didn't square that away with my work. But I'm going to end the video right here.